My name is Hendrik, and together with my wife, we have the Hendrik's outfit, which is one of our businesses where we develop human-centered products and services. And one of them is developing a mobile app that helps people collect their receipts on their phone. Well, I started this idea in 2017. I wrote it down and I worked out all the things I needed, and then I put it aside and didn't look at it for some time. I went to an event where I met Shifarah, explaining the idea behind this mobile app. I presented the idea, and based on that, Shifarah proposed first step in the development, which is a workshop where we try to map out the development of the mobile app, do the needed basic to know how to continue further. We had a very good sessions, and I must say the support was very great. Good insight, good knowledge of app development, very kind, and not afraid to share their own comments that helped, with the development. Yeah, so next for the paid log is to develop an MVP with the idea to collect more market data to know how to continue developing the mobile app, and of course working together with Laser Global to do that as well.